Alessandro, CTO and co-founder of Refinea, the agents that helps your brand appear more often in AI answers. Today, over 1 billion people use AI every month, and this number is growing extremely fast. People used to search on Google, but now they ask ChatGPT for which product and brand to buy. And if your company is not present in those answers, you're invisible in this new fast-growing emerging channel of acquisition. But here is the paradox. Companies are still spending over $100 billion to appear first on Google, which is becoming obsolete, and have no idea how to appear in AI answers. Here's the solution. We monitor your positioning on those answers and improve it by optimizing your digital footprint. Our strength is to work with your buyer personas, identifying the questions that they are asking and analyzing the answers that each model gives to each specific persona. Therefore, for each persona, we track your mention rate in those answers, your ranking, and we construct a proprietary GEO score that accounts also for the share of voice of your competitors and the brand sentiments of your company in those answers. Thanks to this analysis, we generate content that is appealing to AI, that follows your brand identity and that targets the specific needs and questions of your buyer personas, improving your positioning in the related answers. This is a new field. This is called generative engine optimization, and the best proof that our approach is working is being suggested by Gemini as the best Italian platform in this field. We sell Refinea as a SaaS with a custom plan for digital marketing agencies, our early adopters, who sell Refinea to their clients. The market is exploding. It's over 20 billion worldwide, and we will catch 100 million in the next 5 years. Given such a market, new companies and startups are emerging every week, but few of them are thriving. And yet, they all analyze generic questions. They commit the same error. They ignore the fact that AI answers differently to each user that is asking the same question. That's because AI answers are becoming more and more profiled. And that's why our approach based on buyer persona is more efficient and more effective. Also, those companies are very complex to use. They are built for technical teams. That's why our approach focuses on simplicity. We automate the whole process from monitoring to content generation, democratizing GEO to every business. This is a new field. We need to compete with our competitors and beat them also on the research aspect. That's why, on one hand, we continuously test our hypotheses, but on the other, we are conducting a research with top institutions to understand the technical drivers of AI decision making. We released our closed beta 40 days ago, and we already have 7 companies paying to be pilot programs for a total of 8,000 euros, including sales of database, and we've already analyzed more than 10,000 prompts. The next step are to release the official version in January, alongside with the case studies of these pilot programs. Then expand to UK and hit 1 million revenues by the end of the year. Then we will integrate with third parties and break even by the end of 2027. Our team is ready to grab this opportunity. We've studied AI, computer science, and business in top universities. I lead the product, Vito leads the business development, while Giorgio the software development pyramid. Finally, Fabian Titi, our advisor, is the Italian leader in online positioning. Given the strength of our team and the exploding market, we ask you 400,000 euros to update our product and expand to Europe. Before concluding, remember that AI answers shape buying decision. Refinea shape AI answers. You can shape our success. Thank you.